Hello folks, welcome to Ethical Empire. So today I'm ready with the last video of this FootPrinting module. So this video will be containing how to find the network range, Tracert Tool, Recon-ng tool, Maltego tool, OSRFramework, BillCipher and OSINT Framework. So this video is going to be very informative. So now let's get started.
Connection established.
Okay, perform network footprinting, NAT trends. So it's like how to find the network range of any target or a network. For every ethical hacker or a security professional, this is the most important and the basic task to find the network range. So let's see how to find the network range of any target. Let's go to any browser. So first thing you need to keep in mind is that if you find the network range of any domain, so first you need to have the IP address of that domain of that website. So to find the IP address, let's go to the in the address bar and search for NSLookup and hit enter. So click on this link website to IP lookup and search and type your URL here. So in my case, I'm typing for certifiedhacker.com and click on find IP address. So here we have the IP address. Click it, copy it. Now type search for rn.net. So in this search box, paste the IP address which you have copied and click on this search button. Wait for it. So now we have the source registry name and the network range. So this is how you can find the network range of any domain or any website. So let's move to another topic. Network trace routing with the help of Tracert Tool. So Tracert Tool is used by the hackers or the security professionals to find the path or the route between the packets that are sending between the source and the destination. So now let's see how to use this Tracert Tool. In the search bar, click on this command prompt. Now type Tracert/h. So it tells you how to use this tool and it gives you a list of options that you can use. Now type Tracert and give the website name. Now hit enter. Wait for the some time until it gets completed. Now we can see that it has given us all the hopes available that are being made by the packets before reaching to the destination. So now type Tracert-h5 and give the website name. We can give the maximum value to 5 only. Let's wait for it. So here we can see that it has given us only the 5 hopes, but in above it gives us a 13 because we have specified the 5. So that's why it gives only 5 IP addresses here. So this is how you can use the Tracert tool, and you can use all these options for the different results. So this is all about the Tracert tool. For the Kali Linux, you just need to use command trace root. Other command will be the same. So this is how you can use the Tracert tool. So now let's move to the another topic. Perform footprinting using Recon-ng. So Recon-ng is an open source tool, and it is an most popular information gathering tool. With the help of this tool, we can do many type of information gathering, many types of footprinting. We can do footprinting about any domain, about any person. So this tool is very important. So now let's see how to use this Recon-ng tool. So let's launch a terminal and type Recon-ng. It is going to take little bit time, so let's give it. Okay. So here we can see that it has 85 modules for the reconnaissance, 13 modules are disabled, 8 modules are for the reporting, and 4 are import modules, 2 for exploitation, and 2 for discovery modules. So let's install all of them. So take marketplace, install all. Hit enter. Wait for the some time because all of these modules are going to install. After an hour, it has installed all the modules. So now let's use our favorite command, that is help, and enter. Okay. So now we can see that we can use all of these commands according to our need, like back to exit the current context, dashboard to display a summary of activity, DB, exit, help, index, marketplace, modules, options. Okay, so we will be using all of these commands later. So now let's start with domain discovery. So type modules, load, module search. Okay, no problem. So here we can see the list of all modules which we can use in this tool. So here are the discovery modules, exploitation modules, import, recon modules, reporting modules. Okay. So for first, let's create a workspace. So for that, type workspaces, create information. Type workspaces list and enter. Okay. So here we can see that our workspace has been created, and we are into the information workspace. Okay. So now let's give a domain. So for that, type db insert domains. Now let's give the domain. So let's give certifiedhacker.com. Enter. Enter. Okay. So now we can see the domains. So for this type so domains, and here we can see our domain. Okay. So now load any module. So for that type modules load brute hosts. Okay, sorry. Modules load brute. Let's search. Okay. So I mean with this module, I was trying to load this. So let's copy the name of this module and now type modules load and paste it and hit enter. Okay. Now type run. Okay, so here we can see that it has found 22 hosts and 19 are the new hosts. So let's see them. So for that types of hosts. Okay, so here we can see the list of the 19 new hosts which are discovered by this module. So now let's go back and now load another module. So for that time modules load, reverse, resolve. Okay, so I will be using this one, copy modules, load and paste it. Okay, now type run. Okay, so it has found one host. So let's see them. So hosts. Okay, so here we have 19 hosts which are being discovered by the brute hosts module and this one host box5331.bluehost.com via this reverse resolve. Okay, so now let's create the report of this result which are being discovered with the help of this reconnaissance tool. So now we will be creating a report with the help of this tool only. So for this, let's go back and type modules load, sorry, HTML. So for you can type reporting. So now you have all the reporting modules. So now you can copy any of the reporting module. So I will be using this reporting HTML. So now type modules, load and paste this and hit enter. Now set some options. So for the types of options set and first the file name where you want to save the report. So let's do pwd and copy this path. Okay, and come here and paste it. Oh no. And now give the name. So I'm giving results.html. Now set the creator name. So for that type options set creator and I'm the creator. So let's give my name. Now options set customer. So the customer here is certified hacker because we have like we are searching for it only. So hit enter. Okay, now run. So its result.html file has been created. So let's go. It's not created here. What is this? What was the problem? I don't know. Oh, so I've did given the wrong name here. Oh, so it is option set. Okay. So now it has been created. No? Okay, no problem. Now type run. I think now it has been generated a report. Yeah, so it has. Okay, so let's open it. So here we can see the customer name. So it is a reconnaissance report. So we have given one domain. So let's see our domain. So here it is our domain. And here is the list of our hosts with the IP addresses. Okay, so this is how we create the reports in this reconnaissance tool. So now let's do something else. So let's go back. Okay. Um, okay. So now let's do some information gathering about a person. Okay. So for that, like there's type modules, load, profiler. Hit enter. Now type options, set, source, give the name of the person. So let's give Naham Sak. Hit enter, run. Wait for this some time because it is going to take time. Finally, it has given us our result. So it has found 28 profiles. Okay, so let's see them. So for this type, so profiles. Okay, so here we can see all 28 profiles. So let's go to and check them. Okay, so let's open this link. I'm opening some other links with this. Let's open this Pinterest. Let's open his Instagram. What is this? Here it is saying Instagram. Here it is giving some another links. Leave it. Let's see this link tree. For this YouTube, we can see that it is his YouTube channel, and we can find many information about him from here. Let's see what is in the about section. So here we can see his email address by filling this captcha. Okay, and here we have some other links: his Twitch account, website, Twitter, Instagram, date when he joined this YouTube channel. I think this is the fake. And here is link tree. And here we have his Discord link, Twitch link, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, bug bounty resources, all of the links. So this is how we can use this Recon-ng tool. So here we have seen that we have done the information gathering of any domain and the person. So this is how you can use this tool. So now let's move to another tool. Perform footprinting using OSR framework. OSR framework is an open source framework and it is an automated tool which is designed in the Python language. So with the help of this tool, we can do many types of footprinting. It contains some sub tools like user mail file, phone file. So we will be saying how to use these tools. So now let's see how to use this OSR framework tool and how to install it. So now let's move to your Kali Linux machine and first start with how to install OSR framework. So open your browser and search for OSR framework and hit enter. Go to the first link and copy this link from here. Go to your terminal and type git clone and paste the link and hit enter. Now do ls. So now we can see that OSR framework directory is being downloaded. So let's move into it. cd OSR framework and hit enter. Now do ls. So we can see that it has requirements.txt file, setup.py file, and some other files. So now let's type pip3 install OSR framework and now hit enter. Now it's time to upgrade OSR framework. So for this now type pip3 install OSR framework space upgrade. Now hit enter. Now we are ready to go. So let's clear the screen. Yeah. Now type ustfbar.py. It is for the user search. Type -n and give any name. Let's give Bill Gates. -p is for the platform which we are going to specify here. So let's give Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Now hit enter. Wait for some time until it give you the result. So within seconds, it has given us the results. So it has given the YouTube profiles, Twitter profile, and the Facebook profile. So let's go to each and every site one by one. So open link. So we have the Twitter profile of the person. So we can do our OSINT here. We can gather information. Let's open another link. So let's open Facebook link. So here we have the Facebook link of the person. So we can see his photos and other things which we want to see. And let's move to the YouTube link. It doesn't give any result. So this link is not working. So let's leave it. So this is how we do user research with OSR framework. So let's do the domains research. So type domain file.py dash and give any domain name. So let's give EC Council and dash T and dash on all. So dash T here means it will do the full range research. So type hit enter now. Just wait for some time. So here we can see that it is being trying to get information about 869 domains. So let's see how much time it will take. It's showing that the old search may take around 3 to 5 minutes. Let's wait for it. Yeah. So now it has given us the results. So it has given us 25 results. So here we can see all the domains with the name of EC Council and the IP addresses. So this is how we search about domains. So this was all about OSR framework. So now let's move to another topic. Footprinting a target using Maltego. Maltego is most important tool. So it is an information gathering tool and it is the most popular tool for the footprinting. With the help of this tool, we can do many types of footprinting. So without any further delay, let's see how to use this tool. So now let's start with the installation of the Maltego tool. So click here and in the information gathering, click on this Maltego. Just wait for the some time until it is starting modules. So it has started loading all the modules. So this page will come. So click on this Maltego CE run. So click run. Accept this license and click next. So if you have registered, then just fill the email address and the password here. If you haven't registered, then click on this link, register here. Enter all the details which whatever they have asked, and after filling all the details, click register here. After the registration, you will get an email and you will have the activation link. So click on this link, and then your Maltego account will be activated. After that, come back here and type the email address which you have provided later. Type the password and captcha. Click next. That captcha was incorrect. Please try again. Let's go back, enter details again. HX7P, click next. Why this error is being, let's type the password again. I think the captcha is 9QDH. Next. Oh, what is the problem with the captcha? I hope this time it will be correct. Click next. Click next. Click next. Click next. Select a web browser. Next. Select any mode. You can read the information about these modes. Next. So I will be open a blank graph. Click finish. So now the installation part has been completed. So let's use this. So here we can see a lot of options. We can use these options and start our information gathering. So let's see. So it has in the devices, device, mobile computer, mobile phone, events, groups, infrastructure, domain, Amex record, URL, website. Okay, so let's use this. So drag this option here. Now double click here and type the website URL. Hit enter. Now right click and here you have many search options which you can use. So let's go in this all transforms. So here we have all the transforms, so you can select any one of them. Let's say see I want to see the web technologies. So click on this run button. Here we can see the output, and here we have the detail view. Uh, so so here we can see all the technologies which are being used in this website. Fancy box, glue tip, SPF, jQuery, BZI frame, ASP.NET, jQuery hosting, jQuery cycle, QPhone, the New York Internet Company, IIS8. So here we can see all the web technologies. So let's delete all of them. So select all of these um, technologies and click the delete button in your keyboard and then hit enter. Now again right click. Let's do any other transform. So let's use this to email address within properties. So click on this run button. So here we can see that it has been completed, but none of the email address is being displayed. So let's leave it. Let's search for the domains. So it has two domains, www.certifiedhacker.com and the certifiedhacker.com. Let's select this and search for something else. Let's search for the SOA Startup Authority. So here we can see two answers. So here we can see the ns1 bluehost.com, ns record, and the email address. So let's delete this and search for something else. Let's search for the two email address from whoisinfo. It does not have any email addresses. Leave it. Right click. Let's search for the GPS. It does not give any result for the GPS. Leave it. Let's search for the two IP address. Click on the run button. I hope it will give some of the result. It doesn't give any IP addresses. Leave it. Let's search for the Amex mail server. So here it has mail.certifiedhacker.com. Leave it. Right click and search for something else. Let's see, search for the ANS name server. So here it has given us the two of the name servers, ans1.bluehost.com, ans2.bluehost.com. Let's right click. Let's search for the two date time within properties. None of the result has come. No problem. Let's search for the two website using domain. Let's search for it. No information being displayed. No problem. So let's delete both of them. Let's right click and go back by clicking here and search for all transforms. Let's use all transforms together. Click run. So here we can see a lot of information has been fetched by this tool. So you can use all this information, you can analyze according to your need. So let's uh, try for some. So this is the domain name, and here we can see that it is the DNS name. Here it is the snapshot of 2011 September 30. So here we can see this all Vivek machines snapshot. Here we can see it is the built with technology. Here it has given some IP. Can we see the IP address? Oh, so here we can see the IP address of this domain. Let's see for it. So here is another IP address. Leave it. So let's move another side. So here we are seeing that these are all the technologies which are being used in this the certifiedhacker.com website, and these are all the snapshots of this much website at a specific date. What is this? So here we can see the website title, and we can see the website here. So this is how you can gather information with the Maltego tool. So here is a list of the options which you can use. You can search for the smartphone, mobile phone, conversation, email, phone, date, time. So with this all, you can use all these options and gather information about your target. So this was all about Maltego tool. I hope this short tutorial about Maltego will be helpful. So now let's move to another topic. Footprinting using BillCipher. So BillCipher is an information gathering tool. As we know, we are talking about every information gathering tools. So we can gather information about a website or a IP address with the help of this tool. And it gives us so many options. So now let's use it and explore all of these options. So now let's see it. So starting with the installation part, so go to the browser and search for BillCipher. And now hit enter. Go to the first link and copy this link from here and go to the terminal and type git clone and paste the link. Now hit enter. Wait for some time. So now it has been downloaded. So let's do ls. So here we can see that BillCipher directory is being downloaded. So let's move into it. Cd BillCipher and hit enter. Do ls. So here we can see that we have one BillCipher.py file and readme amd requirements.txt modules web source license. Uh, so let's do one thing. Type Python 3 BillCipher.py. Now hit enter. So it so here you have two options, which search you want to do, website or IP. So let's type website and hit enter. Now enter the website address. So let's type www.certifiedhacker.com and now hit enter. So it has given us 22 options which we want to perform here. So let's do DNS lookup. So type 1 and hit enter. So now it will start DNS lookup of www.certifiedhacker.com website. So it has given us the results. So it has given us 6 to 7 records. So we have A record, MX record, NS records, TXT record, CNAME, and SOM. So now it asks, do you want to continue? Type yes. And now again type website. Now again give the address. Suppose now we want to do geo IP lookup. So type 3 and hit enter. So now it has given us the geo IP location. So it doesn't give us the city and the name of the state, but it has given the country name and the IP address and the latitude longitude value. Now let's type yes. Again give website. Again website address. Now suppose we want to do subnet lookup. Type 4 and hit enter. Yeah. So we have the subnet address. So we have address, we have the network information, net mask, broadcast, wildcard mask, host range. Now type yes. Type website, enter the website address, hit enter. So let's search for the page links. So now hit 6 and hit enter. So it has given us all the links. Type yes, website. Again, give the website address. Now let's find HTTP header for this type 8 and hit enter. So it has given us the HTTP header. So we have the header here and here. So we can see all the values from here. So let's type yes. Again type website. Give the website address. Let's see the robots.txt file for this type 12. So here we have the robots.txt file. So this is the information which is available in this robots.txt file. Let's type yes. Uh, Now let's see host info scanner. So for this, let's type website address. So for the host IP scanner, type 20. Hit enter. So now it has given us the whole host information. So we have the status, title, IP, country. We have the summary. So it has detected some plugins, Apache, HTTP server. It has a redirect location. It has HTTP headers information. So here it has a what wave report for the site. So we can see the status that is 200 okay. We can see the title, IP address, and the country name. And we can see that it has HTTP server plugin, ng server. We can see the jQuery information and the link. We can see some information about meta author. We can see the password field, a string, uncommon headers, and many more things we can see from here. So I think this is too much for this tool. So let's type no and come back from the BillCipher tool. So this is how you can use BillCipher tool to gather some information. It will be very useful when you are doing when you are solving some OSINT flags, OSINT what to say CTFs. So now let's move to another tool. OSINT framework. So OSINT framework is an open source intelligence gathering framework. It helps security professionals for performing automated footprinting and the reconnaissance. So now let's see how to use this tool. Let's launch any browser and in the search bar, search for OSINT framework. Hit enter. Go to this first link. So here you can see some of the options which you can use for your purpose. So let's go to this username. So here you can use specific sites to search username or you can use username search engine. So here it has given us a list of the tools which you can use. So let's go to this one, Namcheck. So here it redirects you to this namcheck.com website. So here you have a search box, so you can search any username from here. So let's search my name. Check this. Now click on the search icon. So here you can see the list of domains which are being available. Click on show more to show more domains. So we can see this much domains are available. So let's see for the usernames. Click on check username. So here red color shows that Manvi Bhadoria is being taken on Twitter, Facebook, eBay, Twitch, TikTok, Pinterest. While this username is available at Shopify, Slack, GitHub, Reddit, YouTube. So on these platforms you can use this username. This username is not being taken at these green platforms. So let's close this. Let's close this. Let's go to in this domain name. So let's see. I want to do who is records. Click here. So here now we again have the list of tools. So you can use any one of them. So let's click on domain browser. So it will redirect you to this website. So type the domain name here. So let's type ecouncil.org and check mark all of this. DNS record service scan traceroute. Click go. So now it has given us the domain who is record. So we have whole information, domain name, registry domain ID, registrar who is server, registrar URL and everything. Then we have the network who is record. So we can see the network range, CIDR, net name, net handle, parent, net type, organization name, organization ID. We can see the DNS records as well. We can see the trace route and we can see the services scan. So this is the report which is being created by this tool, domain also. Let's close this. So here you have a list of many tools, so you can use them according to your need. So, if you have any questions, so please comment below. I will be trying to um, answer all of those questions. And in the next video, I will be giving a quiz. So you guys have to answer those questions on this footprinting module. So if you guys like this video, then please like the video and share it with your friends. And yeah, so that's all about this video. So stay secure and keep exploring the fascinating world of cybersecurity. Bye bye.